Yes, hello. I'm going to show you some new fidgets I have. So, yeah. They were expensive, so please rate this video. Well, let me pick them out. Let me get the fidgets that you don't sign yet. One of them had the tag on still because I can't take it off. So, and then, is that all? Okay, I only got 5. Okay. Okay, with my crispy Doritos, okay? So, let's do this. I don't like talking with my mouth full and show other people. So this new unicorn puppet. So you just, if you notice something, I got my nails done. So yeah, me and my sister and mom having girl day, and we got our nails done. I got some fidgets. If you can find these toys at Mastermind Toys. Okay. So this unicorn puppet, pretty good. This one was actually free, because it passed my birthday. It gives us free toys on their birthdays. So each birthday of mine, I think. I don't know, but I think it's mine. And then each birthday of mine, I get a free fidget, I'm pretty sure. It's a pea popper that actually works. A pea popper. Wow, it does not have a face, so be aware of that. This is the one have a tag, so I don't know how to take it off, okay? Impossible. Like, impossible. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that later. Whee! And also you can hang it up on your backpack. So yeah. You can squeeze, 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 squeeze. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna show you Big Baby. It's a blue stress ball. You said, oh, you already have a pink one. It popped. And then the Oreo one, everybody's like, like squeezing it so hard. I'm like, stop, you're gonna pop it, and it popped. So, wee. You made a fart. So yeah, I'm gonna show you my favorite one last. Hey, look, you're like, what is this? Boo. Boo. It's just so funny, okay? This is my favorite. So it's like a rainbow. And you just have a stress ball in it and you just squeeze. So it's like a PBJ. If you don't know what those are, I'll put a picture right there. I'm done editing this video. If I can, okay? I think I know how to do it. No, I don't. Sorry, so you can't see it. Let me try, okay? Let me try. So yeah, that's it for today. So bye and have a chip. There you go.